Good morning. Are you all there? Hello. Can you all hear me? Fine. Good morning. We had two sums left. And then as I told you, after 60, there are only 2 to 3 sums, which I have done it before. So I'll be doing 59th and 60th question. And then if you all have some doubts or something like that, we can take the doubts and the chapter will get over. Monday, I'll be starting with the rotational motion. Okay, new chapter. Question number 59. Can you see the green slide? Question number 59. Can you all see? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. At high altitude, a body at rest explodes into two fragments. So initially it was at rest. There was a mass, big mass, 2m. It was at rest. Some high altitude, I don't know, some high height. It splits into two fragments. Let one fragment be m and other fragment be n. Can I say this is going horizontally with a speed of 10 meters per second? So I know that if initial momentum is 0, final momentum also has to be 0. So this has to go with 10 meters per second in the opposite direction. Hello. Can I say at height it will follow a parabolic path? And this guy will also follow a parabolic path. Yes or no? Hello. Yes or no?
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Now, time taken by the velocity vectors to make 90 degree. Can I say after some time this guy will become this way? And after some time this guy will become this way. They want that this angle should be 90 degree after a certain time t. Did you get it? Did you understand the question? Okay, so it is following a parabolic path both. And after this is at time 0, beta. This explosion is happening at time 0. This is happening at time t, and this at time t. Can I say at time t they will make 90 degree? Means can I say at time t v1 bar dot v2 bar has to become what? Hello, please tell me.
0.
Has to become 0 because theta is 90 now. So the angle between two vectors has to become 0. Yes or no? v को लिख सकते हैं u bar plus dt. What is u1 bar? 10 I cap minus 10 j cap into t dot minus 10 I cap minus 10 j cap into t. बेटा समझ आ रहा है? हेलो 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 बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Because one is 10 I, other is minus 10 I ना, दोनों का g तो 10 j ही है. अच्छा डॉट निकालो दोनों का, तो 10 10 are minus 100 plus 100 t square is equal to 0. So 100 cancel. T will be 1 second. Hello बोलो बोलो भाई, getting it now? So after a time of 1 second, the velocities will be perpendicular to one another. Did you all get it, beta? Hello, last 2-3 sums are there. Come on, reply, man, fast. It's important. Okay, so this was a good question based on projectile motion plus law of conservation of linear momentum. I hope you all are understanding. Question number 60 पर आता है. Look carefully. A particle A of a mass m is initially at rest, lies down from a height of 1.25 meter on a frictionless ramp, collides with and sticks to an identical particle B of the mass m at rest. Then the particles A and B together collide elastically with particle C of mass 2m at rest. The speed of the particle C after collision with combined body A and B would be. Okay. ओके देखो क्या हुआ, ये ए नीचे आया, इससे टकराया, and they both of them go with a common speed. ठीक है, so we'll deal with this part initially. Can anyone tell me what will be the velocity of A when it comes down? Baba, tell me.
Under root 2gh.
A just before collision will acquire under root 2gh. बराबर है ना? I'll make it here only. Just before collision, A will acquire under root 2gh. And finally, both of them will stick to one another and go with a common speed. So can I say initial momentum in the horizontal direction is final momentum in the horizontal की बात हो रही है. So initial momentum will become m into v is under root 2gh of the A part, na? And finally, what happens? Both of them stick to one another and go with a common speed. Did you understand this thing? Hello, 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 hello. Yes or no? ये m हो गया under root 2g is 10, h is 1.25 into 2m into v common. This and this cancel. V common will become 25 ka root 5. Yes or no? This will become 25. 25, 5 by 2. That is 2.5 meter per second. Now, ठीक है. So can I say both of them now stick to one another and go with a common speed of 2.5? अच्छा, when both of them stick together, बेटा दोनों का मास कितना हो गया मिलाकर? Hello, hello, hello.
2m.
2m. So can I say this 2m now comes over here and hitting with a speed of 1.25? This C, but C be 2m hai, and they both are colliding elastically. So what is going to happen in this case?
Exchange the speeds.
They will interchange the speeds. It is the same thing. So can anyone tell me after collision C will acquire what? What speed? BC कितना हो जाएगा? 1.25. Did you get it? Hello, hello.
So the speed is only 2.5.
Oh, sorry, 2.5. 1.25. 2.5. Sorry. So 2.5. Very sorry. 2.5 meters. This answer नहीं रहेगा. You can see how they are converting work energy power into collision sums. One step, small steps, and you will get the resultant answer. Are you all getting it better? Hello? Hello, hello, hello. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now there are some marking in the questions from 60 to 70. Please mark the sums initially. Then we'll try. You all will try to do. Okay? 62, 62, 63, 64, 66, and 68. Hello, have you all marked? Beta, yes or no? 62, 63, 66, 67, 68. 66, 67 अगर आपको neglect करना है तो you can neglect it. These sums you need to practice. I'll do some sums from here so that you all can understand it carefully. Okay. 62 वाला तो difficult वाले sums है, but you all can understand what is happening. अगर आपको सब practice करना है तो सब भी कर सकते हैं, but they are not going to come in the NEET exam. They are much higher level than the NEET also. Okay. Question number 62 I am doing. Okay, समझ सकते हो तो समझो बेटा, ये आएगा नहीं. हेलो, Are you all listening? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, try to understand. If you don't understand, also don't get depressed because this is not going to come. This is all JEE advanced level questions. So मैं एक दो सम ट्राई करके देखता हूँ अगर आपको समझ में आता है तो, वरना ठीक है. वरना the portion is over, the chapter is over. This part is over. Two blocks of mass m and 2m are kept on a smooth horizontal surface. They are connected by a ideal spring constant force K. तो इसका spring constant K है. A constant force is applied to the heavier block. Suppose in time t the displacement of the smaller block is x, then the displacement of the heavier block will be how much? Okay. अच्छा, सबसे पहला step. You know what is the formula for acceleration of center of mass? Do you know the formula? Hello, at least Hana bolo. So I'll get confidence to teach you all, man.
Yes, sir.
ये मालूम है ना सबको, F net is ma, where A will become center of mass because we are reducing it to a particle. Can anyone tell me how much is the net force acting on the system? देखो जरा question में देखो.
F.
F है. And how much is the total mass acting on the system?
3m.
3m. ये चीज क्लियर हो गई, बराबर है. अच्छा, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ मास? अब मैंने क्या कर दिया, इस सब चीज को एक पॉइंट मास में बदल दिया जिसका एक्सेलरेशन है f/3m. तो कैन एनीवन टेल मी व्हाट विल बी द डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द सेंटर ऑफ मास एंड टाइम t? कितना रहेगा? शॉर्टकट फॉर्मूला क्या है? काइनेमेटिक्स का क्या फॉर्मूला है डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ मास का? डिस्प्लेसमेंट का फॉर्मूला क्या है बेटा? पता है क्या? यस और नो? हेलो बाबा. तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट इनिशियल वेलोसिटी 0 है, हाफ a is f/3m into t square. Can I say the displacement of the center of mass and time t is going to become this much? Yes or no? अच्छा, एक फॉर्मूला अभी
Yes, sir.
ये फॉर्मूला आपको आता है, स्टेप 3 वाला फॉर्मूला आपको आता है. द डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ मास will be m1 displacement of x1 plus m2 into displacement of x2 upon m1 plus m2. Do you know this formula? Do you know this formula? हेलो यार, x bar x com is m1 x1 plus m2 x2 पता है ना आपको तो. So displacement of center of mass
Yes.
will be m1 displacement of s1. अच्छा, what is displacement of center of mass? ये दिया हुआ है, देखो ये हो जाएगा f/6m into t square. m1 को m पकड़ते हैं, उसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना दिया? x दिया है. m2 2m है, उसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट हमको पता नहीं है, अपॉन 3m. 3m 2s will become ft square by 2 is equal to कितना हो गया? m x plus 2m x2. So ft square by 2. Yes or no? Hello. Minus mx is equal to 2m x2. I need x2. 2m नीचे ले लूं तो ये हो जाएगा ft square by 4m minus x by 2. Hello. Hello. Did you understand? Hello beta, Hana bolo. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this will not come in the exam. There are 3 to 4 steps involved over here. But I hope you all have understood. These are all okay. JEE main और JEE advanced level question. JEE advanced में ही आते हैं ऐसे 4 steps वाले सब. ठीक है? तो ये चीज है. Next question which I am coming to is 63. Look carefully. 3 identical blocks A, B, and C are placed on a horizontal frictionless surface. The block B and C are at rest, but A is approaching towards B with a speed of 10 meter per second. So this is 10 meter per second. This is rest and this is also rest. The coefficient of restitution for all collision is 0.5. The speed of the C just after collision. मजा आएगा, सब लोग इधर पे ही बात सुना. Please pay attention. Okay. 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 Initially, they are telling you that identical blocks है, मतलब इसका भी मास m है, इसका भी मास m है, इसका भी मास m है. अब इन दोनों को पकड़ो. अरे भाई करेक्ट है क्या? हेलो, यस और नो? अच्छा, is this an elastic collision or an inelastic partial collision? Come on, please help me. Beta, if I only keep on doing the sum, then it is no use, na? Hello?
Inelastic.
Partial.
Inelastic.
Partial. Okay. What is the formula for V1 and V2 in terms of E? Do you know the formula? M1 minus E M2 upon M1 plus M2 into U1. And the second term will not be there because second body is at rest. Yes or no? Hello? Hello, याद आ रहा है? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, what is the second formula?
M1 1 plus E
Very good.
upon
M1
M1
plus
plus
M2
M2.
into U1. Perfect, man. Very good. बेसिक फॉर्मूला आपको आना चाहिए. तो M1 कितना है? M है माइनस 0.5 M. M1 plus M2 is 2 M. U1 is 10. ये हो जाएगा 10/4 ना. देखो ना, M cancel. 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. That is 10/4. That is 2.5 meter per second. And this will become M 1.5 2M into 10. Now the 15/2, that is 7.5. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? Hello? Hello, Baba? hello. Yes or no?
Yes.
बाबा ये समझा क्या? नाउ बी एंड सी के बारे में बात करते हैं. बी का स्पीड कितना हो गया? अब यार इसका स्पीड कितना हो गया? ये पहले 10 था, अब कितना हो गया? ये पहले वाला 2.5 हो गया. बी वाला कितना हो गया?
7.5.
7.5 हो गया. अब ये जा रहा है किसकी तरफ?
C.
सी की तरफ. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
अब मेरी एक बात सुनो बेटा, मेरी एक बात सुनो, एकदम आसान है. आई विल टीच यू अ ट्रिक. देखो इनिशियल स्पीड इसका 10 था, 10 का ये कितना परसेंट हो गया और ये कितना परसेंट हो गया टकराने के बाद में? कम ऑन प्लीज हेल्प मी आउट. कितना परसेंट हो गया 10 का? ये ए वाला
25%.
25%. मतलब जो टकरा रहा है वो 25% हो जाएगा ऑफ द इनिशियल, एंड जिससे टकराया जाएगा वो कितना परसेंट हो जाएगा बेटा? हेलो, 75%. यस और नो? यस और नो? अरे भाई टेल मी.
Yes, sir.
अब इसके बारे में बताओ, टकराने के बाद में क्या होगा? Come on यार, please tell me now, please. What is the original speed? 7.5. Can I say this will be 25% of 7.5? And this will be 75% of 7.5? Hello? 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 Hello यार, tell me, please.
Yes, sir.
बेटा इतना तो आना चाहिए ना. So what is 3/4 of 7.5 approximately? Look at the answers. 3/4 of 7.5 मतलब 7.5 into 0.75. और यार मैथमेटिक्स आपका स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए. कितना होता है ये?
5.6.
5.6 meter per second. Did you get it? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Because the coefficient of restitution is the same. So rather than applying the formula, we can do it in percentage, na? Yes, sir. Yes. Actually, अगर देखने जाएंगे तो सम बहुत बड़ा है, पर हमने उसको परसेंटेज से सॉल्व किया तो थोड़ा आसान हो गया. No. 66 and 68. Have we done this sum? Come on, please tell me yes or no. Huh? Have we done this sum? कर लेते हैं. A uniform disk is there. अच्छा, what is the shortcut formula for this? Trick क्या है इसका?
A1x1 is equal to A2x2.
What is 1 1 and what is 2 2?
Area removed and area remaining.
चलो, can you tell me what is the area removed? Removed area cavity कितना है? Tell me. भाई ये है ना remove part. कितना एरिया है उसका?
Pi b square.
पाई बी स्क्वायर. और ये हमारा ओरिजिन है. इसका सेंटर ऑफ मास किधर लाई कर रहा है? इसका सेंटर ऑफ मास कहाँ लाई कर रहा है कैविटी का? लो, दिस इज x1 ना बच्चा. yes or no? how much is that? c ना? yes or no? x2 है ना वो, सॉरी x2. yes or no? hello, yes or no? what is the remaining part? come on, what is the area of the remaining portion?
Pi a square minus pi b square.
pi a square minus b square. and what is x1? I don't know. x1 ढूंढना है. मिल ही जाएगा ये x1 will become b square upon c upon a square minus b square. Done. b square c upon a square minus b square. yes or no? hello.
Yes, sir.
देखो कितना फास्ट हो गया. अच्छा, अगर ये 3D बॉडी होता तो, 3D अगर होता तो
Volume.
वॉल्यूम, तो 4/3 पायर क्यूब आता. ठीक है ना? 67 is the same sum. You all can try it. Same, it is same, ditto same है. खाली वो स्क्वायर की सर्कल की जगह स्क्वायर निकाला है हमने. ठीक है? So this is all together. 68 भी आप लोग ट्राई कर सकते हो. It is the derivation which I had done before only. So all together we have done everything, more than everything in this chapter. I hope the chapter is clear. इसमें कुछ किसको conceptual doubt हो या कुछ doubt हो तो you can ask me right now. Anyone has some doubt in this chapter? Any conceptual doubt? Anything? Okay. No doubts. ठीक है यार. Tomorrow exam is there. Will be based on from your notes only. Okay, so please study the notes properly. See, we are doing at least. I'll just tell you the framework. You know the framework. I'll just tell you. ठीक है. PC पांडे एकदम properly करना है हमको. PC पांडे. This has to be done very much properly. Second thing, my notes. Third, previous year questions all should be done very thoroughly. ये तीन चीजें तो एकदम मस्ट है. मतलब इसको एटलीस्ट 2 times you need to do. जितना ज्यादा करेंगे उतना ज्यादा पॉलिश होगा. Fourth is Marvel, and then after that will come my mock papers. बहुत हो गया, बहुत ज्यादा हो गया. Okay. So this will be more than enough. And then any damn sum you pick up, you will be understanding के where it is fitting into it. Okay. ठीक है. चलो, all the best. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.